Hi, welcome back. Let's tackle lesson 6 and discuss the video clip. This interconnected pocket of information can be activated through any of your senses to any of the neurons that is part of this specific engram. In other words, if you see a dog as an example, that specific neuron that stores the image of a dog is activated and you become aware of that image. The engram becomes active and other neurons that are part of this engram create awareness. If your focus stays on the dog and you explain something regarding a dog to somebody else, the engram will keep on firing and you will become aware of more neurons as part of this engram to complete your discussion. On the other hand, if you just see a dog running past, you will recognize the dog, but the full engram will not be activated because you do not need full awareness of a dog at that stage. Obviously, there must be an on and off switch mechanism to control awareness. We cannot be aware of all stored information simultaneously. As you've seen in the video clip, your brain will explode. These switches are called synapses, and as can be seen in the picture, they are found at the end of the axon terminal or the presynaptic terminal that grows to attach itself to the dendrite of another neuron. I've put the word attach in inverted commas because it does not directly attach to the dendrite wall. As can be seen in the enlarged part of the picture, there is a gap between the axon terminal ending and the dendrite wall. If an impulse should travel down the axon from the neighboring neuron through the axon terminal and end up at the synapse, it will stimulate the neurotransmitter fluid or molecules to be released. When released, it will fill the gap and reach the receptor opening on the dendrite wall. That will then activate the neuron and you will become aware of the information stored in that specific neuron. Within an engram, the original impulse will flow from neuron to neuron and you will become aware of all the information associated with the first impulse, the sensory stimulation that you received from outside. This is the basis of the thinking process and happens in milliseconds. This information is enough for us to understand the basics of brain physiology. All further detail is for a neurologist who is knowledgeable and specialized in neurology. With this basic knowledge, we can become Be Smart, to be discussed at a later stage.